So I'm just showing y'all the wig that I'm starting with. I decided to make some changes to this wig because I've had wigs before where the lace has ripped, and I just did not feel like sewing the lace back onto this wig. And honestly, I'm getting tired of wearing wigs that are ear to ear. I'm honestly considering just starting to only do like 5x5s. So I went ahead, just put some mousse on the lace so that way I can move any unnecessary hair. And I'm just gonna literally cut off all of that excess lace and just kind of make it kind of like a 5x5, kind of not. But you guys will see what I'm doing.
Oh, whichever one is in a hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I f your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll.
So now I'm just going through and cutting the ends off the wig. If you guys wear synthetic wigs, then you know that the ends get really, really bad after a couple uses. I just prefer to wear synthetic wigs when it comes to like wearing curls and stuff like that because they hold longer. So majority of my wigs, my straighter wigs, are synthetic. So my maintenance is very simple for it. And then after that, I just went in with a larger barrel because I wanted super, super loose curls that look very effortless, if that makes sense. Like I wasn't trying to really have them curl like that. So I went in with a bigger barrel. I don't remember the name of this barrel or the exact size, but I got it when I was in hair school, and I only use it when I want curls specifically, like you're gonna see me doing.
Girl, I know you feel me, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Well, let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
So y'all, just got out of the shower. I did my skincare. I'm all lotioned up. And yeah, I realized I'm starting to run behind because I also got to stop by a bank. But I am about to put my wig on. So as you guys saw in the clip earlier, I explained why I did what I did with my wig. And now we're going to go ahead and put it on. It is now 6:22. I don't know if y'all can see. It's 6:22 right now, and I have to leave out by 7:30 because this place is like 30 minutes away, but it's also the weekend, so I don't know how traffic is gonna be. This is what the wig looks like. I did go ahead and start combing out some of the curls. I don't do all that extra stuff. I don't do the cap. I don't even use lace glue anymore. And I don't want my wigs to last that long. I never keep my wigs on past a week, and even then it barely reaches a week. What I like to do is put foundation. I used to have lace tint, but I have to order more. I literally just ran out, so I've been just using my Ruby Kisses cream foundation. Y'all know when you go shopping for makeup online, sometimes it can be hard to like find what you wear unless you already purchased it before. Well, that's how I was with this. I had got this color first, and I realized it was just way too dark, so then I went back and I got this, and this works out perfectly. So This is what I'm gonna put on my lace, and I just mix the two. I just turn the wig over on my hand, and then I just put the makeup everywhere. This is how I've been wearing my hair in twists. I don't braid my hair up anymore under wigs. I just go ahead and put them into a low ponytail. It's not tight, it doesn't hurt. Then I just go ahead and put my cap on. I use 2 caps though for some reason. I don't know why. It's just I started doing it and haven't stopped. Never had a reason. And that's it. Now I don't put any foundation. I don't do any of that. I just be thinking, like, I have so many videos that I've recorded and I either didn't finish editing, I didn't even put the clips together. Like, I had a whole Christmas vlog where I actually went and did stuff. I filmed that, and most of those clips are still on my camera. Same with I showed you guys how I like get myself together on a budget. I filmed that, didn't put it together, didn't put it out. I get in my head a lot, so that's how I miss out on posting. While my lace is, you know, just sitting for a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and start working with the rest of the hair. And I wasn't even going to go out tonight to this dinner, but I'm just, cause you know, since I've moved out on my own, like, I've been even more of a homebody than I already was. Like, I literally will sit at home and never leave the house. And I'm trying to, you know, get out of that and just start getting out more, because I swear it's very rare you see me go out. Like, let's see. I'm not gonna add any more curls to it because I want this little loose look that's why I curl with a bigger curling iron, because I wanted that loose, flowy look. This is the look I was going for as far as the curls. Very loose, you know, it's not going one way. And I'm not doing too much hair because I'm probably just gonna wear this today and tomorrow and take it off before I go back to work, because I go through phases. Like, I really do with my hair. Like, sometimes I just want to wear my natural hair. The next, you know, I see somebody with braids, now I want braids. And then sometimes I just want to wear wigs. And like now I've been wearing nothing but headband wigs. Like, nothing but headband wigs. And that's what I've been okay with. So I'm gonna take this off. I was supposed to hang out with a friend that I met in high school. Last saw this friend like 6-7 years ago. It's crazy how time flies. But I don't know if we're still gonna be hanging out. So I'm gonna keep this wig on just in case we do go do something. But if we don't, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and get ready for my work week. For makeup, I do not do a lot. In fact, the last time I did a full face of makeup was probably like 2 years ago. 2-3 years ago. So the only thing that I'm gonna be doing for this makeup look is just some concealer, a little powder, mascara. I'm gonna brush my brows and do some gloss. That's all I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Now, I don't do everything the traditional way and how everybody else do it. I just conceal my dark spot, but I'm almost out of my favorite concealer, so I'm gonna conceal like my darkest marks with it, and then I'm gonna go over it with some cream foundation that's kind of the same consistency as the concealer, and then I'm gonna powder a little bit of powder underneath my eyes because I'm tired and it's starting to show. And then I'm gonna just brush my brows, do some gloss, and put on a little mascara, and that's gonna be my look for tonight. As soon as I get home, this makeup is coming off and I'm going to bed, because I know I'm probably not gonna get back home till like 10-11 o'clock. Because y'all know how when you link up and you talk, and you know that talk turns into deep combo. know, like I said, I don't do stuff the way everybody else do. Now, when I do a full face of makeup, I do kind of do my makeup that way. But when I'm just like trying to just look more alive than anything, this is just what I quickly do to achieve that. Also, where I crease at, I just try to put some of this. And I don't do a lot of it, but I've been so tired and it's starting to show up, you know, early morning, late nights. It's starting to show up. Another little thing that I like to do is take some edge control, and this is the edge control that I like to use, and I just brush my brows with it. Ooh, I put way too much, and it keeps them stiff in the way I like them all day. Like I don't have to touch them, and so that's what I'm doing right here. I like that big fluffy look, especially since, you know, I don't have on a ton of makeup. This is just a way for me to add a little extra to my face when they're all sticking up like this. Like, I love this look. It's my favorite. And when I take off this, I'm gonna use my same concealer and just powder around. But I need my edges to set, so I'm just gonna go ahead and move on to everything else. And I'm just throwing on some gloss. I'm about to move on to my nails. I went ahead and pre-picked out my nail sizes. I didn't show that because I have a video showing how I do my whole press-on nail thing. Although this was very rushed, so I'm gonna link my how I do press-on nails video. But like I said, I was pressed for time, so I literally just found all my sizes and was like rushing through my process of trying to get these nails on. So that's why I sped this up, because this is not like a good version of how I do my nails.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been
The shirt detailings up close. This is what it looks like. This is the jewelry that I chose to wear. If it will focus. There we go. And then the rings on this hand. Then y'all already saw my jewelry while I was getting ready. So I'm finna finish up my hair and everything, and then I'll show y'all the end result. So this is the bag that I'm wearing. Also from Shein. Got gold detailing on it. These are my shoes that I'm wearing. In my purse, I'm just bringing my nail glue. I normally wouldn't bring my whole thing of deodorant, but like I said, I'm sweating. I have a travel size deodorant, but I don't feel like digging that out of my other purse. I'm bringing a pad because my girl is here. Some gum. This is the lotion that I keep in my purses, but I'm just gonna put this on my feet real quick. Also decided, like I said, to put on some bangles. I'm gonna go. That's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope that I can start doing this more. Bye.
Life move fast when you